What's up guys, Mark Guys Maniac here back to the channel, and I have a little video on my GoPro. So these are tips, what to buy and what you need. So yeah, let's start it off. First we will start with this little transfer thing if you want to transfer your videos. So that's that. I think this was like $20, $30 I got from Best Buy. So yeah. And your SanDisk thing, you put your little SD card there, and you put this like that. You slide it in. You put your SD card and you put it in your phone. I can show you an example of that, like that, and then you transfer your videos. So yeah, that's that. And yeah, another thing, I have two GoPros, so the one I'm recording with is my new one, which I'll make a video on it. So I will show you my other GoPro stuff and my other GoPro back door. So this is my back door here for my other GoPro Hero. That's that, an extra one that comes with it. And I have a secure thing, buckle, twisty thing. I don't know what you want to call it. Twist it on your mount. And this is a buckle here. I don't know what you want to call this. I think this is a smaller or a big one. I don't really know. So that's that. I have that one. I have two of the same ones. So this is one of them that came with my new GoPro. So that's that. So yeah, as you can see, it's pretty nice. Secures good. That's that. Safety there. Again, GoPro be a hero. And yeah, so an extra mount thingy you could like put on your helmet or something. A side thing. Put the side on your helmet. Put it on the side of your helmet. Sorry for my talking. That's another one. So that's that. And yeah, one more thing. One more thing, guys. I bought a case for my cameras to stay secure. Yeah, so it comes with this thing right here, the strap, and this is my other GoPro camera. So that's that, pretty nice too. Have that, and yeah, so that's gonna be pretty much it for this video. Let's wrap it up. And yeah, so this is my few of my accessories. So I will be buying a new one, and stay tuned for this video. And yeah, so yeah.